Happy New Year, everyone! It's a very beautiful year with so much greatness to fulfill. I'm starting this new year with a very sweet, healthy recipe that's so easy to make. Banana loaf cake. Let me show you how to make this soft, delicious indulgence. You need very ripe bananas, flour, butter, sugar, eggs, baking soda, milk, white vinegar, vanilla flavor, and your loaf cake pan. First, start by creaming your butter and sugar together. Once it is well creamed, add your eggs. Mix and in goes your saved flour and baking soda, leaving about a cup of flour aside. Add your vanilla flavor and fold it in together. Add a bit of vinegar into your milk to make a substitute for buttermilk. And if you have buttermilk, that's awesome. Then you don't need the milk and vinegar to make the buttermilk. It's time to add the bananas. Mash it properly before adding it. The ripe bananas are so sweet, so you basically need very little sugar in this cake. Fold in the remaining cup of flour. Note that your dry ingredient comes last when baking. Butter and dust your pan with a bit of flour. If you're not using a baking sheet, then pour in your banana cake batter into your loaf pan, and in goes straight to your preheated oven to bake. You don't need to tell anyone around you what you are baking. The aroma of banana and vanilla is just too awesome going all around. There is nothing as good as a fresh oven baked cake. And here comes the golden crust, soft and moist inside banana cake. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. Come closer. Look at every slice, perfect and really lovely. Every slice screams tasty. Do recreate this recipe. You can enjoy it with ice cold water, juice, parfait, smoothie, wine, and any way you choose to have this banana cake, you will surely ask for more. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. It's a new year. Have a sweet, healthy year. Thank you.